and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will be making a painting on e-Milaad-un-Nabi with some very easy tips and techniques. So let's begin. Make a dark blue color mixture and then apply it all over the canvas. After it dries completely, take any circular object and make semicircle with it. Follow these following steps to draw a mosque and lanterns. Now to make golden color, mix black and red and then gradually add yellow color in it. I have this golden paint named Shimra. You can try buying this also. But I think there is not much difference between the two colors. You can also use this golden creamy textured gel pen. It also works great. Of all these three colors. So number 1 is the color we prepared. Number 2 is the original one. And number 3 is the gel pen. All look very similar. Now we will be creating a bouquet effect for which we will make circles on the background with the help of this cap. Using a rough toothbrush, sprinkle some golden paint. Now to boost this painting, we will paint some fireworks and sparkles. forget to hit that like button. Do consider subscribing my channel and tell me in the comment section below that how did you like this video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and thanks for watching.